Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. As you can see here, we have the WS-X9 Ultra Smartwatch. A decent looking watch Ultra clone with an affordable price. It is a 7 plus 1 Ultra Smartwatch. So meaning we have at least 6 available strap for the smartwatch, plus this is the number 7, we have a free an extra silicone case. So 7 plus 1 Ultra Smartwatch WS-X9 Ultra. So this time we are going to check on the available menus and features for this wearable. So we are going to check on the different menus, features loaded to the WS-X9 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the different menus and features of the WS-X9 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so let's focus on the wearable. So we have a beautiful screen here and preloaded with a unique and different types of watch faces. Okay, so for example, this is common, available in other wearables, also this one, and this one, but this one, this and this, it is our first time to see this on a watch Ultra clone. Okay, anyway, let's check again. Here are the available watch faces. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have at least 8 available watch faces for this smartwatch. So the UI on top, we have the quick settings here. So we have here the settings. This is for the music control function, brightness display, menu, power off, and Bluetooth we also have here. So this one, I guess this is the flip your wrist to display. Okay, I think weather. Okay, so there's a lot of functions already on the quick settings. On the bottom part, we have the message notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen display. So it shows the recently accessed menus or functions. Here on the other side, so we have the different menus and features. We have sleep, music control, weather, GPS. I guess this is the connected GPS. It's not a built-in GPS. As you can see here, app is connected. Then what else do we have? Weather, and that's it. Okay, so we have the different menus and features. For the menus, main menus, just press this one, I think. Oh, it changes. Nice. Okay, so just press the crown button here and it will show the main menu. So let's change the main menu here. Let's change it to e-list option. That's it. So we have here the list function. How about the other function or the other main menu style? We have cellular 12 grid. Okay, so we have that grid type. Next, annular. Okay, so this is the annular, somewhat like a grid option also. Okay, then we have Sudoku. Okay, I'm curious about the look of this one. Okay, so the same, like a grid also. And we have the last one, rectangular or rect menu. Let's see. Okay, so this is the rect menu. Okay, So let's go back to the list so we can see the name of the different menus and features. Okay, so we have the clock, message notifications. We also have, this is a phone for the Bluetooth call. So the Bluetooth call supports phone book, dialer, call record, or call history, and phone set. Okay, so you can mute. Okay, increase the vibration here, dial up vibration. Nice. So we have the different sports function. Later on, we're going to check on that. We have steps. This one is automatic activity tracking. So monitoring the steps. I guess the calories timer, and what else? Calories and distance, I think. We have a sleep monitoring. We have music control. We have the heart rate. We also have the blood pressure. Let's see the UI for the heart rate. Simple, highs and lows, and of course the beats per minute. We have the blood oxygen, blood pressure. Okay. So we have here, what's this? Body temperature monitoring. So we also have a body temperature monitoring. We have weather. We have breathing guide, sports record. What is this download? Okay, for the app support, that is very fit. We have calculator, stopwatch. We also have a camera. I think this is AI voice. Looking for or anti-lost. We have an alarm. We have game. Okay. So we have language support, menu style. We also have a world time. Nice. Okay. So I guess this is first in Watch Ultra clone. Okay. We have female health monitoring and drainage and settings. For the settings, we have screen set, pointer, sleep time, disturb set, sound and shake, so vibration and the sound you can also set. We have password support, time set, date set, bright, sedentary, factory reset. So this is our connected GPS, power off, and about. Okay, so Watch Ultra version. Okay, for the sports, let's see. Go back, press this one. So we have running, cycling, we also have walking, climbing, sit-up, jump rope, volleyball, badminton, ping pong, basketball, baseball, on foot, boxing, frisbee, indoor, okay, ballet, fishing, fast. So we have a lot of sports here. Okay, we also have meditation, surfing, handball, cricket, sailing, curling, hunting, snowboarding. Wow, we do have a comprehensive list of sports function here. I don't know how many, but we do have a good list here. Okay, for running, let's see. So it tracks for, again, the time, steps, calories, distance, and beats per minute. And okay, so we do have a good list of sports function. And we also have some good collection of preloaded watch faces, and of course the multiple menu option. Okay, so we have here the multiple menu option. Okay, so it's a okay, beautiful, a good looking smartwatch here. Decent looking smartwatch. Guess that is the term for this. Okay, again, we also have a good list of sports and some, okay, useful menus and features here in the WS-X9 Ultra smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and We'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.